This fox is super cute, and I can show you how to make it in just a few easy steps. For this project, you'll need dark orange, white, and black polymer clay, a toothpick, and a non-metal baking dish. If you can't find the right color of polymer clay, take regular orange and some dark brown clay and mix them in a ratio of 4:1 orange to brown. Start by rolling an oval with the orange clay about the size of a small cherry tomato. Then roll ahead about a third of the size. To make the tail, take a piece of clay about the same size as the head, but roll it into a tube and make the ends pointed. Flatten it out just slightly. Roll teardrop-shaped pieces of black clay for the front feet and the back feet. Make the back feet slightly larger than the front. Make the snout of the fox by pinching the front of the head into a triangular shape. Roll 2 small balls of white clay and press them flat with your finger. Press these next to the snout on the side of the head. Press them into the clay firmly. Pinch the side of the head to give it a slightly triangular shape. Now attach the head to the body by pressing it on securely. Press each of the feet onto the body. Now take a small pea-sized piece of white clay and press it flat with your fingers. This will go onto the end of the tail. Press it all around the end of the tail so that it blends in with the orange clay. Now take a toothpick and draw lines in the white clay, blending it slightly into the orange clay so that the part of the tail looks fuzzy. Flatten the other end of the tail and shape it with your thumb, and then press the end of the tail onto the rump of the fox. Make sure it's on securely. Roll a tiny bit of black clay for a nose and use a toothpick to help you put it into place. Press it on slightly with your finger. Roll even tinier balls of black clay for the eyes and use the toothpick to help you place them. Make 2 teardrop-shaped pieces of orange clay and flatten them with your finger. These will be the ears. Roll 2 white teardrops the same way, except smaller than the orange. Press these pieces into the middle of the ears. Use a toothpick to press a line into the middle of the ears and to shape them slightly bent forward. Attach the ear securely to the head and do the same thing with the other side. Add some detail on the face by pressing the toothpick into the white parts on each side of the head to make fur. Then press some claws into the feet with the end of your toothpick. Once you've finished that, your fox is ready to bake. When you're finished making the fox, put it in an oven-safe dish. You can use glass or white ceramic like I've got here. Just don't use a metal pan. Bake it according to the manufacturer's instructions on your clay package. It'll be around 275 degrees for a project this size, maybe about 20 to 30 minutes, but be sure and look at the instructions. I've got lots of ideas for polymer clay animals and other crafts on my YouTube channel, so be sure and subscribe so you don't miss an episode.